Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on an Infiniti QX60. First, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine has cooled down. Safety is key, so wear protective gloves and safety glasses. You'll need a new H11 headlight bulb and a flathead screwdriver for this task. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother and safer. Now, open your vehicle's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic engine cover to gain better access. Simply unscrew any retaining clips holding it in place. Once you have clear access, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old headlight bulb. This usually involves pressing a small tab and pulling it straight off. With the connector off, twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from its housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new H11 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning its tabs, and twist it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Double-check that everything is secure before closing the hood. Turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your brighter, safer drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.